Hi everybody, welcome back. So I got a little stash update video to do for you. Don't have any progress on any projects completed this week. Just got finished with Doug's build and then didn't have a whole lot of time to start anything new. But I did get a few things in the mail, so I thought I'd go over those. Sorry for moving the camera. I've gotten the Angelica figure all washed. Just letting that dry. I'll go over it with a little rubbing alcohol, just make sure there was no finger oil and stuff like that left on it. And I'll prime that probably sometime today and get that started. I did pick up some new splash paints, or at least new for me. Some of their metallics. So dark gold, they're gunmetal, gold. It's actually really nice. It's a nice color. And then what was this one? Oh, copper. This one looks really nice too. But yep, I'm gonna try those out, do some of the spoon tests and stuff like that on them. I'm still experimenting with the splash paints, just trying out different things, get different effects, you know, just trying to figure out what works, what doesn't work. So I'm still playing with those. But a couple of new kits have shown up in the mail. So the Foos 68 Pontiac Firebird by Revell. I saw this on somebody else's channel and went, I need that, so I bought it. Not sure when I'll do this one, but I will definitely build it. Gonna try some different paint schemes with this one, I think. I don't know, we'll see what happens. But there's that. Also a Foos, another one, the 65 Chevy Impala. This one looks like a nice kit too. And the last one, the Cadillac that I put together, went together so well, I thought I had to try both of these out. And there are cars that I do like, the Impala and Firebird. The other day in the mail, my good friend James, who lives in Las Vegas, he used to live up here. We used to game together all the time, war gaming. He sent me this, the Leonardo da Vinci catapult. It's a working recreation of Da Vinci's 15th century catapult. So it is all wood. You can see the pictures here. Oops, that one's upside down. So I'll have to try it. So thank you, James. I appreciate that. And happy birthday, buddy. Also got in the mail. I'm gonna raise this up because these are a little bit on the large size. Let me just tilt this down just a little bit. Okay. So also picked up these. So this is the TACOM Mark IV Male, the World War I heavy battle tank. It's got a little interior detail. Workable tracks, suspension, drive system are exactly reproduced. Metal gun barrels. Yeah, so this should be a fun kit. And there's all the pieces and stuff on the side. So I'm looking forward to that. Oops. Hold on. There's another one. Another TACOM kit. Here's the Mark IV Tadpole. So I'm looking forward to this one too. Those of you who've been around my channel for a while know that I enjoy World War I history, and like the vehicles and things like that from it. So thought I'd get my hands on these before they went out of print again. But well, let me show you the last one. Hold on. And then I also picked up the late type French heavy tank, the Saint Chamond. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but this one, I bought this one. Looks like it'll be another nicely detailed kit. Yeah, I'm trying to decide. I thought maybe I might do some sort of static display with all three tanks. You know, maybe do a like a diorama with all three. I'm not sure. Not sure how I'll do that yet. If you guys have any thoughts or ideas on that one, that would be great. I'm gonna drop this down a little bit. So that's basically all I have. Just real quick, got a few things to mail. Finally getting this thing prepped. I'll probably get it primed today, and maybe by later tonight I can start on some of the flesh color for that. This is going to be an interesting piece, just because of the way it goes together. I'm gonna have to come up with some creative ideas or creative ways to hold some of these pieces because of the way they're designed. And when I finally get everything primed, I'll do a quick video on what I think I'm gonna do with that. So expect that in a couple of days. But that's essentially all I have, folks. Again, yeah, there's that. We'll have to see how we do here. Doug, your van will be going out in the mail tomorrow. I finally found a box and all the packing material I needed to hopefully keep it safe. And so I'll be sending that out to you tomorrow. And I hope everybody is doing well. I'd like to thank all the new subscribers I've picked up over the last week or so. I appreciate it. And to all my long-term subscribers, thank you very much for sticking around and encourage me to keep going with all the modeling and everything else that I'm doing. I hope everybody, again, is doing well, and going into the weekend, enjoy yourselves. And I will talk to you all real soon. Bye.